Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fold Acura MDX seats. First, always ensure your front seats are moved forward enough to prevent any interference. Next, locate the center seat belt in the second row. Insert its latch plate into the designated slot on the side of the anchor buckle. Then, retract the center seat belt fully into its ceiling holder. Finally, lower all second row head restraints to their lowest possible position for a smooth folding process. Now, let's fold the second row seats. Each outer second row seat back has a release lever or strap. Simply pull this to disengage the locking mechanism. With the lever pulled, gently push the seat back forward until it lies completely flat, creating an even load floor. Repeat this simple action for the other second row seat section. This split folding design offers great flexibility for passengers and cargo. Moving to the third row, begin by opening your vehicle's rear tailgate to easily access the cargo area. You will find a pull strap or lever located on the back of each third row seat. Firmly pull this strap or lever to release the seat back. Then, push the seat back forward until it folds down completely flat into the floor, seamlessly expanding your cargo space. By folding the third row, you gain over 43 cubic feet of cargo space. For maximum capacity, folding both the second and third rows provides an impressive 95 cubic feet of room. Remember to utilize the convenient underfloor storage and the reversible cargo lid for added versatility. Always ensure all folded seats are securely locked into position before driving to prevent any movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.